Ever wondered how the world's largest construction equipment manufacturer came to be? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating history of Caterpillar Inc., also known as CAT. Our story begins in the late 19th century with the Holt Manufacturing Company. Founded by Benjamin Holt, this innovative firm began producing steam tractor machines in 1890. Holt was a true pioneer, developing the first practical continuous track for use with a tractor in 1907. This invention would pave the way for the creation of the Caterpillar we know today. In 1910, Holt expanded his operations by opening a plant in East Peoria, Illinois, incorporating as the Holt Caterpillar Company. This Midwest expansion proved incredibly profitable, and the company began exporting tractors to Argentina, Canada, and Mexico. During World War I, Holt tractors played a crucial support role, being used as artillery tractors. They even inspired the development of the British tank. But after the war, the company faced financial challenges and competition from another key player in the industry, the CL Best Gas Tractor Company. However, in 1925, these two rivals decided that joining forces would be more beneficial than competing. The merger of Holt Manufacturing Company and the CL Best Tractor Company gave birth to the Caterpillar Tractor Co. This move marked a significant turning point in the history of construction equipment. Over the years, Caterpillar has continued to grow and innovate. Its machinery and products, recognizable by their trademark, Caterpillar yellow livery and the CAT logo, are now used all over the world. In 2018, Caterpillar was ranked number 73 on the Fortune 500 list and number 265 on the Global Fortune 500 list. Its stock is a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, reflecting its position as a leading player in the global economy. In addition to manufacturing construction and mining equipment, Caterpillar has also ventured into licensing and marketing clothing, workwear boots, and toughened mobile phones under its Caterpillar brand. Caterpillar's headquarters have moved a few times over the years, from Peoria, Illinois, to Deerfield, Illinois, and most recently to Irving, Texas. But no matter where it calls home, Caterpillar remains a titan of the construction industry. In summary, Caterpillar Inc. is a story of innovation, perseverance, and growth. From its origins with the pioneering Holt Manufacturing Company to its position today as the world's largest construction equipment manufacturer, Caterpillar has truly left an indelible mark on the industry and the world. So the next time you see a piece of Caterpillar equipment at work, remember the journey that got it there.